कैसे यार? वाह,
Disappeared in front of
far
your eyes.
crazy,
And
far crazy, far crazy.
thanks, बताने के लिए। ये क्या क्या माहौल बना रखा है भाई?
Gaming.
Oh, nice, bro. चलो ठीक है, I do magic. You wanna see?
Okay.
चलो, let's see which card I have on the top. What's that card?
5 heart.
5 of heart. I'll take this 5 of heart. I'll put it here. And now
Okay.
let me give it quick cuts. And let's see the next one. Okay.
Okay.
What's that card?
Queen of spade.
Queen of clubs, right?
Oh, sorry. Huh.
All right. So I'll take this queen of clubs and I'll put it here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. Now see here I have my queen of clubs.
Gloves.
Here I have my 5 of heart.
5 of heart.
Now just look closely. I'll take this 5 of heart and I'll put it on that side. And this was the queen of clubs. I'll take it here and I'll put it on this side. You are 100% sure this was 5 of heart and this was queen of clubs, right?
Yes, 101% sure.
But they have switched their
What
places.
the? Bro, what the? कैसे?
You tell me. Okay, let's do something more interesting. Okay, let's take 4 random cards, bro. I'm just taking 4 random cards. Trust me, I have literally no idea what cards I'm taking on. Okay, I have
Okay.
just taken these 4 cards, bro. They see some names also written on these cards, right? And let's see what are the cards we have chosen, right? See what is so which cards we have? 9 of diamond, right?
9 of diamond, yes.
7 of clubs
7 of club.
and 3 of diamond.
3 of diamond.
And the last one is which one?
8
of
of
clubs.
clubs.
8 of clubs, right? I'll take this 8 of clubs here and the remaining 3 cards. Okay, and what I will do is on this 8 of clubs, right, I'll be balancing out these cards, these 3 remaining cards, right? Did you remember by any chance what were these cards by any chance?
9 of
Diamond, 3 of
3 of
diamond,
diamond,
and 7
or
of clubs or
7
something
of
like that.
clubs.
Now look very closely. I'll just move like that. I'll flip it and then all the cards. 4 aces, bro. Okay.
How?
Oh yeah, that is interesting. How, that is what it is. I mean, I don't know. I have no idea. So see, these are the basically 4 aces. This is called 4
Yeah.
ace production, right? So bro, what I'm gonna do is imagine that this is a bank, building of a bank, right?
Okay.
And these 4 aces, right? These 4 aces are nothing but bank robbers. Okay.
Yes.
And now they are on. Can you see? Isn't it looking like a helipad? Can you see, right? And they are coming in their
Okay.
helicopter, and then they are landing on the bank rooftop, right? One of the bank robber, right? Like one of the ace will go on the ground floor to rob the bank. Another one will go on the first floor, and the third one will go on, let's say, the second floor. And the one will sit in the helicopter and it will wait for the remaining 3 to just rob the bank and come back so that they can flew away. Yeah. So see, can you just look very closely? I hope I'm able to. You can see that all the bank robbers are going to their respective floors, right? Now,
Yeah.
the bank robber who is on the second floor will rob and come back to the helicopter. Then the second one and the third one. Once all the 4 bank robbers will come back to the helicopter, they will sit in the helicopter and flew away, rob the bank. Damn, bro.
भाई बहुत क्रेजी है यार, ये यार बहुत क्रेजी है यार, का अच्छा गेम.
Pick any card, bro. Thanks. You wanna see something else?
Okay.
All right, so let me just give it few cuts to my deck. I mean shuffles, right? Okay, so bro, for example, if I'm asking you, okay, 1 second. Okay, for example, say I have this deck of cards and definitely it is shuffled, random order, right?
Yeah.
If I'm asking you to take out some card, you can take somewhere in 1/4, somewhere in the half or 1/3. How many card you will take I mean, if I'm asking you to take few cards, 1/4, somewhere in the half, or
One
like
fourth.
for sure.
1/4. 1/4.
Okay, so I'm taking out 1/4 card for you, right? I guess these are enough, right?
Okay.
Putting it here. So you had all different options, right? All these options you could have asked me to, or I could have cut on 5 of clubs, queen of spade, ace of heart, jack of diamond, 4 of spade, right? But I exactly cut on that randomly because you asked me to cut on 1/4, right? Now, bro, see, I have these many cards on the table. What I want is, see, I'm moving my finger. You just stop me on any random card.
Stop.
This one or that one? Which one?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
All right. See, I'm taking out the card, right? See, you exactly stopped me on this card, right? You could have asked me. See, let's see what are all the options you had first. So you had all these options, bro. All these options, right? I hope you can see
Okay.
these cards, right? You could have chosen 5 of spade, 8 of clubs, but you exactly chose this random card. And let's see what card you chose, bro. What is that card?
2 of heart.
2 of heart. I'll place it here, and you can see, bro, there is not even a single card. Like, yeah, I mean, like you could have chosen any of these cards, but you exactly chose which one? 2 of heart, right? Now just look very closely. When I snap my finger, your 2 of heart will disappear, and it will convert into 3 of heart. And if you will see, I literally don't have any 2 of heart
2 of heart.
on my table now, right now. Okay, which you randomly chose. Now, bro, let me tell you, what is magic, bro? Magic is like doing something which is impossible. Makes sense, right?
Yes.
So your card has disappeared just in front of your own eyes. You agree with me? Yeah?
Yes.
How crazy would that be? Your card is appearing from something which I didn't even touch, which is in front of you since the beginning, right? Tell me,
Yeah.
bro, from where you want me to produce that card. Go ahead.
In your wallet.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
So, did I even touch that? No,
Yeah.
right? And
don't-
you were asking me to produce the card which just got disappeared in front of your eyes, right? And you're
Yeah.
asking me to produce it from this wallet. Look, I'm snapped
Wallet.
my finger, bro. Just look it closely, right? This wallet is closed. Can you see that?
Okay.
I'll
Yeah,
open in
close.
front of you. I hope you saw that it is opening, right? And how crazy would that be, by the way, if your card which is got disappeared in front of
Far
your eyes,
crazy, far crazy.
and bro, there is a card inside, and the card which is inside is nothing. Even I want to see what the hell that card is. Oh my goodness, it's nothing but your randomly chosen card.
कैसे यार? कैसे? आपने तो वॉलेट को भी नहीं छुआ.
And
कैसे यार?
this is the only 2 of heart I have in this entire deck.
यार कैसे?
How was that?
यार awesome. Big D बिल्कुल यार, जिसको कहते हैं ना, mind blowing यार.
Okay, I appreciate. Thanks. I'm glad you like that. So